Hi guys, this is Raymond of One Trade Institute. Today's market overview is going to be covering trading activities from the 20th to 27th January, and we're going to discuss the positions we took and how they fared. The first of the positions we took was the Australian dollar US dollar. This was a classic, the blue areas outlined a classic head and shoulders pattern. So this was the head, this was the left shoulder and the right shoulder. Interestingly, the breakout point, which is the neckline, coincided with our systematic method of trading, even though we're not looking at head and shoulders typically, but it coincided with our systematic trading methodology. And over here we shorted for a few days and then we took profit. So interesting how sometimes different schools of thought can produce the same trades, but concerning the classical method of trading, at this point the pattern is completed and the market is expected to go back up. However, when the market can choose to go up or go down, we only have to find an entry point and make a few pips once again when the opportunity shows up. So that's it for Australian dollar US dollar. Then pound yen, we lost this position. We're expecting the market to go up, however the market decided to come down, so we lost 130 pips on that position. However, there was another trade that made up for it, that even more. That was the pound Australian dollar. We went long here, made about 140 pips there about, and it was a very lovely trade. Took a few trades, but was not particularly easy because you had this bearish candle coming in, that another bearish candle coming in, and people started taking their positions because they felt it was going to hit the stop. How you feel about the trade is not very important, but the methodology, you have to have your psychology tuned properly, and then when you have a method, you have to follow through with the method. So we held, if we had followed and we have followed the general norm of exiting the position with a feeling, we would have not been able to make all these pips. So have a good method, follow the method, and have a rigid mindset when you know that the method works, you know. And there was another position, but that position we did not take. That was the Euro USD short position. We had our trend line there, this was the shorting area, but we felt that our portfolio was overburdened, considering the fact that our GBP trade was just averaging just about 4 pips, and we took it out because it particularly wasn't doing anything. And based on what our oscillators were telling us, not how we felt, but what our oscillators were telling us, it was telling us it's important for us to get out of the position. So we did get out of the position. So overall, it was a profitable section from the 20th to 27th of January. We booked some profit. We hope we'd have booked more, but it didn't happen that way. We reasonably booked a good enough profit, and so all in all, it was a profitable section. And you can also do same. You can also make good trades and make the same pips we are making by just joining us. You can visit us at our office in Mataiku One Trade Institute, register and become part of the family and learn how to trade, make your own trades, take your own positions, manage your own risk, and become profitable consistently. So thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.